Hey everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel tab, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So in order to manually change the date and time, we have to first of all enter the settings, and in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find system option. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got the date and time options which are right now inactive, so we cannot really manually change the date and time, and it is because we are using all of those options set automatically. So first of all, let's turn off this option, and right now we can freely tap on date. We can find it in the calendar, so let me pick this one, tap on OK, and as you can see it will be applied. And the same situation with the time, we can pick it from this clock, so let me pick something like that and tap on OK, and as you can see it will also be immediately applied and appear on the status bar. We can change the time zone also, simply tap on the region. You can type the region or simply scroll, up to you, and after finding, tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately applied right here. But of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. In my case it did not, because it is in this time zone, so let me maybe pick a different one, maybe this one, and as you can see we've got 10 o'clock, not 12. Here we can also decide what kind of time format we want to use. Currently we are using local default, but of course we can turn off this option and manually decide. Right now we are using 12-hour format. If you want to use 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher and it will be immediately applied. Basically this is the whole manual customization. If you want to, you can always get back to the automatic option just by tapping on the switcher, and that will be all. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.